big ups to Captain Roy for this. We're actually here in Portland, right under the bridge at St. Margaret's Bay, right here in Portland. At the Rio Grande, we're on the Rio Grande right now, actually standing here, waiting for Captain Roy. He's under the bridge right there. I come for now. Him gonna carry we go up on an island. Big ups to Captain Roy for this. Him actually say forward. It's a newly built a little island vibe thing right on the Rio Grande side at the edge of the waters. We just say some ackee and saltfish are there today, some curry crab, fish and all these things. Some of the stuff done to order. It's like a bar and food kind of vibes right on the island. I will go and check out some food today when I don't know yard life vibes. Captain Roy, I pull up with the raft now. We are gonna head on the island. It's just crazy right on the Rio Grande here in Portland. Yeah man, crazy vibes man. Captain Roy forward. I'm gonna eat some food today, take in some vibes. Captain Roy! Big up, you know. Yes, man. Where's the head on the little island? Crazy vibes.
Sunset Island.
Where's the Sunset Island? Whoa.
Sunset Beach.
Our Sunset Beach. Natural vibes. So when you hear that from yourself, we're going to grab the stuff now. I head on the island. We have a whole lot of vibes today. Eat some food. Yes, man. Crazy vibes, yes man. How we head into the island right now. It's like we're under the bridge right now. It's right on the bridge and you actually can see the island from here. Small little vibe right on the edge of the water. Can't wait for reach up there. Nice. So coming up on the island now, crazy. Just across from me, over there. Actually on the raft, the bridge is right there, and you can actually see the bridge seam, so it's really not far from the bridge. So this is basically a shorter tour. Normally the long tour is 2.5, 3 hours. This is literally not even 10 minutes from the bridge. The long tour take like 2 hours. Hour and a half, yeah? Yeah man, yes, and not even take 10 minutes right from the bridge to the local island. Is just crazy. So wanna actually get a smaller charge for coming right here, so pon the raft and come eat some food, whole a vibe away from the bugger nice just in nature right now. A pure burden on my ears. Crazy vibes. Now we are pull up on the island. Natural vibes. We are pull up on the island now. Oh, welcome to Sunset Beach Bar. Oh, man. Crazy vibes. Hopping off the raft now. Today up on the island now. Bar is right here. As you enter, as you come off of the raft, the bar right there. So, oh, crazy natural vibes. Nice igloo there, right? It's an igloo there full of things, not you? Oh, yes. Natural vibes, and we head to the best spot. You don't know yard life. Food right in the restaurant. Big up, you know? Nice. Top of the morning. Big up, you know? Ah, pot of bubble already. Yes. Oh, yes, so we're right in the kitchen now. See some fish there, seasoned up already. Vibes.
Real vibes, you know?
Real vibes.
Yeah.
Right on the island.
You know.
Oh, yes.
Season up the fish and go on. These some fry fish,
yeah,
and steam fish
natural
with
vibe.
plantain and festival.
So if people come over here, hold on, on the operate like right through the week.
Yeah, right throughout the week.
Right through the week.
Right throughout the week.
People can come and get seafood.
Yeah, seafood
right
at any time. And we have crab. We have crab in a coconut juice.
Oh, crab.
Yeah, Benny crab in a coconut juice. Straight from out the river. Benny crab.
Whoa, straight from out of the Rio Grande.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh.
Crab in a pot.
Oh, crab in a. Oh. Whoa. Hold on, the Bussu Soup this. With crab.
With crab.
Man.
This is crab. Straight out the river.
Straight from out of the river there.
Yeah.
Whoa. You know, hear that? Natural vibes and the Bussu Soup, saltfish in a pot of go and boil off and scald off. You know, say, Ackee and saltfish are there today. Oh, yes. Woo. Natural vibes. Oh, yes. Real, natural, coal fire, cooking. Yes, man. Are the vibes.
Real snapper.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Freshly catch.
Freshly.
Yes, man. Natural environment. It's like pure bamboo for days. A lot of bamboo. Even the kitchen, the bar make from bamboo. It's just crazy. So on the forward there, so eat some food, hold some vibes, take a swim. Any which part you know, take a swim and also take a swing. Oh, yeah, me just see a crab. Ooh. Even crabs up on the island, I run up and down. Natural vibes. I swing the right here, so tree the right here, so you can actually relax on the trees. Just a natural vibes, me I tell you, no man. Jeez, peace. Yard life, they here for the food. We love our belly, just like that. And we hide back in the kitchen. Go see what I want, cause some fish I go steam down, fish I go fry. Ackee and saltfish I prepare. Crabs there in the Bussu Soup. Can't wait to taste some of that soup. They look rich, extra rich. Yes, man. You don't know the vibes.
Smell that?
Oh, yes. Man, a lot of goodness in that pot. The pure richness and blessings in that pot, them, man. Cheese and peas. Yes, man. Nice. Respect. Bussu Soup with the crab. Natural vibes, claw hang out. Right. Freshly catch from out of the river. Oh, yes. Plantain. I have some Bussu Soup right there. So this is so hot. So I make this go and cool and greet with some Bussu Soup. Look on the steamer come out of this. Look on the cloud hang out right there. So the vibes, the ambience, whole environment is a vibe right on the island we actually there. Oh, how them mash?
Irish mash.
Whoa.
Irish mash.
Irish mash. Wow. Oh, yes. So I could try some Bussu Soup, you know, right from the spot. Oh, when the steamer come out of this. Ooh. Wow. Bussu. A Portland alone, Bussu there though. Think I Portland alone. You say Bussu there, you know. Wow. Oh, yes. When the steamer come out of this. Rich. Whoa. Yo, the whole of the flavor just burst in that one taste a while ago. Man.
Suppose everything be good.
And this actually mixed with crab. Whoa. The right texture, the right taste. Whoa. Carrot, everything what you give the body, yam, everything. Whoa. You drink them soup, but you can't drink one cup. You have to go second, you have to go third. Might have 4 or 5 cups. Bussu Soup. Wow. And the texture always, the texture of the Bussu itself always surprised me. It's like have that gummy kind of vibe, chewy kind of vibe, full of flavor. Man. This is the vibe you want. This is the welcome cup you want as you reach. You just want to get some soup before anything else. Kick off the vibe. Man. Loads and loads of Bussu look on that, man. Cheese and peas. Saltfish over there, I'm going to scald off, you know, get off the salt after that. Crazy ackee and saltfish I got there today. Curry crab, it's just the vibe. Big Klein at the cup. Oh, cracking at this now. Man.
Yeah, man.
The flavor strike. Oh my god, this is the vibe. Yeah, man.
Saltfish, you know? Really saltfish, go the ackee.
Really?
You get the flavor, right flavor, right Jamaican flavor.
Oh, yes,
you know?
man.
Yeah,
man. Boil off some of the salt.
Yeah.
And then just
take off the scale.
Pick him up. Oh, yes.
Yeah, you have to take off the scale off him.
Yes, man.
Clean him up.
Oh, saltfish gone in the pot, onion gone in the pot to go flavor up that. Yes, man. You don't know all of the proper seasoning them I got add to that, including throwing some, dumping some ackee on that. Man, when the flavor bursts in that, everything mix up and yo, the vibe crazy, crazy, yeah, man. Right on the river. Look there. Surrounded by water. Crazy, crazy cooking. Yes, man.
Yeah.
So them a boil and back up.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Vibe. Oh, yes. Ooh. Ackee with the saltfish. Oh, the vibe. Yes, man.
Yeah?
Oh, yes. So actually get a taste of the ital vibe first. Basically, before all of the noodle and all of them things.
Yeah,
So it's like, so the soup we just had is the same Bussu soup, but you don't know, it's like the ital version of it before most of the noodle and all of them things they add to it. So now, you don't know, we have to go drink some more of that because the vibe where you get from this Bussu soup, remember me tell you, natural vibes, right on the riverside, surrounded by waters. The vibe, yeah, man. Snap at them, yeah. Vibe some fat, nice, juicy snapper going on the aisle right now. Man.
Before we do no curry crab. Nothing at all. We have to boil them and then pick them.
So the boil them in a seasoning too?
Yeah.
Boy.
Boil
So
them,
I get double dose of seasoning.
after we pick them, then now we cook them down in a coconut juice and curry.
Oh, yes.
You know?
So you can't short of seasoning.
No.
Like boil in a seasoning and then cook down in a more coconut juice and more seasoning. Ooh, the flavour we are going to get out of that. See that pepper float on top of the pot where the crab gone in there. I want to know the vibe. Crazy, crazy spicy and nice, full of flavor. Load him up. Load him up. Yeah, man.
Why my skin so hot?
Yes. Fresh from the waters to the pot in your belly. That's the vibe right there. So crab still I go and bubble in this out with some seasoning in the pot. You know that I go curry. Fish just take out. Looks so good. Man. Oh, this after the curry pot?
This after the
rice pot?
rice.
Oh, so pumpkin rice. Pumpkin rice I got there today. Oh yes man. Vibes in the kitchen. Nice. Oh, so that is vinegar. You don't know carrot in that. Onion and some hot spicy pepper that are for the fish escovitch style. Yes, man. Oh, rich, rich Bussu Soup.
What size fish you want? Steamed fish.
Oh, yes.
3,000.
Put a fry up. Wow. Fry it up with all of that goodness, pure seasoning. Yeah, man.
Smell the pepper now.
Yeah, man. Pepper strike, you know. Yeah, man. Vibes, you know, the crab that just start turning red, you know. You know, look come up from this them, they're out. Yes, man. Crack up, take out the meat. Hold on, then I gotta take out the meat, them. Take out the meat out of it. Take off the back.
Clean it off, wash it off. And drop it in a
Oh, yes. Man.
Nah, sure. So it's all.
Oh, whoa. Whoa. So they may finish already?
Yeah.
Basically that process there?
Yeah.
Whoa. Nice. Oh, yes, I'm curried on. That's some real juice.
So when I do this now, I cut some raw onion and put pan it.
Okay.
You get me answer now?
True.
So I just cut some raw onion and put pan it like
Same
now.
way.
And then
True,
just
true.
cover it down and make that eat there.
Whoa.
Go up there.
Oh, yes.
I'm sure now.
Nice.
That bad.
Nice. Oh, upon this man, just come from out of the waters, right over there, so watch it fight. Freshly catch. Man. Man, it smell good though, man. Yeah, man. The smell of that crab is just crazy cooked down in a seasoning right and proper way, and I clean up right now, take off the back of that. Right way, clean up the right way. Break up all them legs and thing when that go down in the coconut juice, man. Wow.
Now we are going to wash them again. How we do this?
Put them going out the juice.
Yeah, we are wash them again. Clean them up right. We just have to pick them now.
Yeah.
So when we're done now, we
Yes.
just wash them. Get them well clean.
Let's go into this. Coconut juice with curry. Wow. That's some ginger powder. Nice.
So I like the time span of the rafting.
Joe.
The boat and come back.
Yeah.
Give it that time there. And a cold we are here. So you know, if you have a gas stove, you know, so you faster. Wash them off, throw off the water and wash them off.
Maybe something for you,
Clean them up.
The restaurant. Yeah, but me the restaurant. Now cook it in the evening.
Wow, fully washed down now.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. All of this are going out the pot.
Go from this
Yeah.
to this.
Oh, yes, man. Curry pot are full of goodies. Oh, coconut milk, curry, corn,
More coconut.
more coconut milk. And this is freshly grated coconut milk. Buckle up. Oh, yes. Yeah, man. Corn in the pot, thyme in the pot, scallion in the pot. Oh, a bag of things go and bubble down. Pot over there so with pumpkin go and cook down. So you know, say a pumpkin rice I deal with. Crazy vibes. The crabs them already clean up. You know, say right. Oh, spinners too. In the crab pot. Spinners. Woo. Whoa. Spinners in the crab pot. Oh, the crab them fully clean up right now. Oh, they might dice up a little smaller.
Yeah.
Nice. Dice them up in a little smaller quarters. Easier. For the juice run right through.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What time again?
Ooh, look on the meat, man. Jeez, please. Meat white and pretty. Yes, man. Right in that curry pot them there. Right now as I'm speaking, spinners are going at the curry pot. Look on the spinners in the crab pot. Island vibes, island cooking. Yes, man. Vibes here in Portland, man. So I got to taste some of the curry gravy now. Oh, yes. Whoa, man. Woo. Yo, that just give me a vibe, just remind me of rundown. Just tastes like rundown with a coconut milk standing out. Crazy vibes, man. Look more from this, you know, as the dumpling them continue to the spinners them continue to boil and them thing that in it, you know, the crabs them are gonna add to that. Crazy. Yes, man. Nice. All of that crab, all of that clean crab gone right in that curry juice there. Oh yes. Wow, natural vibes. Pumpkin still a go and bubble over there, so rice I go going at that. Look more from this pumpkin rice on the island. Crazy natural vibes.
Coconut juice, really
Man.
rich coconut juice.
Rich. Yeah, man. Nice rice gone in the pot now, well seasoned now. Everything nice and proper. Whoa, the crab finish, the curry crab finish right there, so in a coconut juice. Oh, I want simmer down right there, so man.
Want to take off rice off of the fire. Cause no bun of rice down here.
Press plantain, you know?
Yes, man. Original vibe. So go and get some nice pressed plantain, tropical island vibes right in the oil. Let me have a look. Wow, tropical island vibes, pressed plantain, fish, crabs. The vibes never stop. Yeah, man. Bar the right over there. A lot of people actually are pass through, come enjoy the whole scenery, eat some food, drink some Bussu Soup, and just a whole vibe on the little island. This is the vibe. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'll pin the link so you can find the exact spot. Definitely pin the link so now go find the exact spot once you go up on Google Maps. Natural vibes. Rice over here, so cheese and peas. Ooh. Man. Ooh, rice coming on nice. Oh yes. Yes, man.
A year one I deal with now. Festival. In my pot. In my pot. I want to be trying to tell nobody hungry.
Planting and got fresh right about now. The fire. Man. vibes. It's a festival of fried plantain press up. About to go back in the aisle to get that final look at touch. You know the Jamaican vibe. The real Jamaican kitchen vibes. Yes, man. This pot looks so good. The rice pot just looks beautiful. Pumpkin rice. Man, look good. Oh yes, man. Oh my God. Festival and planting on the island. Yes, man. Golden plantains. Crazy vibes, man. The kitchen smells so good, and yo, the water is so beautiful. You have an igloo right there, so as you enter the island, a big igloo right there, so with juice. Oh yes, the vibes, the bar, the right there, so say welcome to Sunset Beach, and the kitchen the right over there, so people actually pull up food, people get them food, them soup and all of them thing there, and just hold a vibe. Come back on the raft. It's just the vibe right here in Portland. And we'll go back into the kitchen because in there smells so good. Go back into the kitchen, go see what's going on now. Because can't wait to eat some of that plantain there, some of that rice there, some of that fish there, some of that crab there. Oh my God, man. Yo, more crabs just rolling. We just see some crabs in a bucket, and man them go away and catch more crabs just right on the edge of the water. It's just crazy. Look on this. Real crab man, you know, man.
Here, man.
Oh. Boom, man.
Big one.
Woo. Vibes, a bag of crabs right here. Yeah, man. Definitely. And some food over here, so I'm going to share out. Look on this big plate. Oh, my God. Whoa. Crazy. Respect. Man. Oh, get some crabs, we get some plantain, a big fish, we get some rice, we get some ackee. Yo, the amount of vibes in this right on the island. Woo. Oh, we're dipping at the rice first. This just come off of the fire. Whoa. The pumpkin rice. Actually, I get the pumpkin. Taste some of the pumpkin with even the skin on it.
But I carry a cylinder. It can't cook one next time.
The piece of the plantain. The real Jamaican vibes, and I get a real and this island vibe. The ackee and the saltfish. I'm going to eat into this right now. Oh yes. Oh yes. Melt to it as that many amount.
Yeah, that's the way.
Whoa. Like when at the crab. Or soft crab. The continuous flavor just a burst from the crab. Whoa. Oh, yes, man. Yo, this crab is a vibe. Wicked. curry crab on the island. You can't go wrong. Oh, look on this. Oh. Whoa. Whether you want to sit down or stand up, just forward from the island. Come grab some food. Some rafting. Oh, eat corn in the curry pot.
When we reach a 40, you want to go a party.
What Jeffrey got road in?
So, Mr. Alright,
Jeffrey
one
no
party.
believe in a
Go
going.
to
Wow.
a party. Whenever if you come down and find your way.
Jeffrey no believe in a going when Jeffrey go out.
Also got a big fish, a big snapper, escovitch style. Oh, look on this. Whoa. Oh, right on the island, the vibe.
Wow. Oh.
Get some of this ackee mixed with the curry. Oh yes, even spinners in the curry pot. Wow. Man. Oh, let's get some of this curry gravy and mix it with some of this rice. That's pumpkin rice vibe. Wow. Wow. Oh yeah. Got some more in the plantain. Scoop up some of this curry gravy. Wow.
Rain?
Yeah.
No? But when we reach above
Bursting flavor, especially in the fish. Fleshy and full of flavor.
So, let's turn back. Let's turn back.
Wow. The crunchy carrot from the escovitch is like get the vibe. You know the real Jamaican vibes. Oh, right on the island. The ackee and saltfish is a vibe. The crab is a vibe. Fish is a vibe. Rice is a vibe. Pumpkin rice.
When I come back tomorrow.
Oh, look on this. Whoa, brother. Man. Whoa. Even the soup was a vibe. That Bussu Soup, just full of flavor.
See that? Work ready there. See that? Just your bite, just your house, the way you want. Come with your house. I can't carry that shirt.
Fun fact, these crabs will actually catch from out of the same river. Right here. The same river right here. And go straight in that pot with all of this seasoning. Bubble up. Now I make sure you get out all of the juice out of the crabs, out of the foot, out of the claw, everything. Oh yeah, vibes. Let's see if we can get some of this fish with some of the curry gravy. Oh yes, get some of the fish with the curry gravy. Oh. Man. Yo, the island vibe is for real. Right here in Portland. Sunset Beach Vibe. I actually leave the link right here upon the Rio Grande. So if you guys want forward, link up Roy or any other captains, they're right here on the front. And then just bring across less than 10 minutes. Yeah, at this spot. Whoa, right in at the vibe. I don't know the thing. I finish go and mash down the whole of this. Clean up every bone, suck out every juice. I have a claw right here, so I go and wait for it. It's just the vibe. Food vibes. Yo, this is the vibe right here. The malish, everything done completely. When you eat some food like this, you fall upon the island, eat some food, you just want to relax under a tent, relax under the tree, relax under the bamboo tree. Just lay down upon the original, fresh, natural bamboo benches and just, oh, take a look nap and just enjoy the river and the breeze and nature. Natural, authentic vibes here, man. Yeah, man, definitely. Sunset vibes. Yeah, man.